Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you how to make healthy snacks. You need black pepper, salt, half bowl sugar, hand curd, elaichi, akroot, almond, raisin, half bowl pomegranate, 2 chopped strawberry, 4 to 5 grapes which we have cut in pieces. So first you need to take and you also need a bowl and a spoon. I put it hand curd in this. Now I'll take all the sugar and put it in this. Now I will mix it. Now you need to put 1 spoon of milk. It's your wish if you want to put or not put. Now I'm putting every of this thing in this bowl. Okay. Now mix it again. Now I'm putting a pinch of black pepper, two pinch of black pepper. Now some salt, our healthy salad is made. You might love eating it, and also it is healthy for your health. Garnish this with it. See, our healthy salad is made. Please like my videos, subscribe my channel, share my videos to your friends, relatives, etc. so that they can also enjoy this healthy salad and make their health, and also comment in the comment box. Thank you.